A smart doorbell chime suddenly stops sounding, and a technician follows a concise diagnostic routine. They begin by powering down the system, isolating the doorbell circuit, and gathering a multi-side screwdriver, a non-contact voltage tester, and a small pry tool. They verify transformer voltage, inspect wiring for loose connections, and test the chime with a known good transformer, identifying a loose terminal as the culprit. The fix involves reseating wires, replacing damaged insulation, and confirming operation through a controlled press at the door. Finally, they share safety tips and preventive checks for future reliability.